Welcome to our Dakis University series on using our e-commerce products and services. I'm Matt from Dakis, and today we're going to learn about creating new orders, including adding items to the cart and attaching a customer to the sale in your Dakis Unified Commerce Solution. In the top menu bar on the right-hand side, there is an icon of a cash register. This shows if you have an active register available or if you need to open one. Please note, you can create an order without an open register, but will not be able to accept in-store payment until you open and activate a register. If you'd like to learn more about registers, you can check out our video on how to open and close registers on our YouTube channel or go to help.dakis.com. Let's get started creating an order. In the left-hand menu, we can see an icon of a shopping cart labeled Orders. Let's click that now. This will open up the Orders drop-down menu. Let's click the All Orders option from that list. This opens up the All Orders page. The first step to starting an order is creating a new one. In the top right-hand corner of the page is an orange Create Order button. Let's click that now. This will open a new order modal panel. We can use this to search products to add to the order, which brings us to step 2, adding items to our order. We can add items to the order in 3 easy ways. First, on location, we can use a barcode scanner to scan the UPC or SKU barcode on the product's packaging. The item will be added to the cart automatically. Note, for this to work, the UPC or SKUs have to be set up correctly in your product catalog. Second, we can search for the product by name, UPC, SKU, or MPN. Let's click into the search bar and type in EOS. Next, I'll click on the New Arrivals tag button found right underneath the search bar to narrow our results. Next, let's click on the Add to Cart button next to the Canon EOS R6. We can then adjust the quantity up or down using the plus or minus button. I'm going to add 2 of these bad boys. When we're done adding products, we can close the search box by clicking the X button in the top right corner. We can also search for photo factory products like canvas prints, greeting cards, and more to add to the cameras we wanted. We can do that by using the same search bar we used for hard goods. In the left-hand panel of the new order page, we can see a customer panel. We're going to want to search to see if our customer, Matt from Dakis, already exists. Turns out they don't, so we're going to click the Create a New Customer button to bring up the Create New Customer modal. Now we're going to fill in the customer's information. First and last name are required, and we can also add email and phone number. There's also an option for them to opt in to receive a newsletter if they'd like to, or, if applicable, to set them as tax exempt. Notice there's a section at the bottom of the customer panel to add internal notes. These are only visible to your staff in the application. Let's add our own right now. We also have a few other ways to add more information. If we scroll back up to the Pickup Address block, we can find the shipping method and billing information section. That's it. We're all done creating an order. From here, we can either process the customer's payment or send out a quote email. Check out our next video on tendering an order for more information. Be sure to check out our other videos for more information about how to best use your Dakis solutions. You can find that and more at help.dakis.com. Visit today.